Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and we just received a 2022 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This boat is sold. It was ordered a few months back and it has finally arrived, and this boat will be going through rigging and delivery fairly soon. But if you would like to come by and see this boat in person, the 33 Outrage is an outstanding boat from Boston Whaler, one of their more popular models and a great boat for the Charleston area. This boat will be here. We'd be happy to show it to you. There are open production slots for Whaler's 33 Outrage, among other models. If you have any questions about this boat or any of their others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. You can visit us at our store at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive. Take exit 23A off Highway 526 with a big yellow building off the highway. And always check us out at MarineMax.com. Again, this is Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.